Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the third chapter of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the reconstruction, means economic reconstruction, and the Nazi worldview. Economic reconstruction. Hitler gave the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hjalmar Schacht. He wanted full production and full employment through a state-funded work creation program. As a result, the famous German superhighways and the people's car, the Volkswagen, were made. In foreign policy, Hitler acquired quick success. Hitler pulled out of the League of Nations in 1933 and reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936. In 1938, under the slogan "One people, one empire and one leader," Austria and Germany were integrated by Hitler. In 1938, Hitler seized the German-speaking Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia and then took over the whole country. In all this, Hitler had the unspoken support of England. It means in all this, Hitler had the unspoken support of England, which had considered the Versailles verdict too harsh. Schacht had advised Hitler against investing hugely in rearmament, as the state still run on deficit financing. In the Second World War, Hitler chose war as the way out of the approaching economic crisis. In 1939, it means in September 1939, Germany invaded Poland, and this started a war with France and England. In September 1940, a tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan. Hitler attacked the Soviet Union in June 1941. It was a historic mistake made by Hitler. The Soviet Red Army defeated Germany at Stalingrad. In the beginning, the US remained neutral in the Second World War. When Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor, the US entered the Second World War. The Second World War ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat. Japan surrendered in August 1945 after the US dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The Nazi worldview. The crimes committed by the Nazis were the result of a system of belief and a set of practices. Nazi ideology was synonymous with Hitler's worldview. According to this, there was no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. In this view, blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while Jews were located at the lowest rank. All other colored people were placed in between depending upon their external features. Hitler's regime is considered as the most barbaric regime in the world history. Hitler's racism was borrowed from the ideas of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin tried to explain the creation of plants and animals through the concept of evolution and natural selection. Herbert Spencer added the idea of survival of the fittest. According to this idea, only those species survived on Earth that could adapt themselves to changing climatic conditions. These ideas were used by the racist thinkers and politicians to justify imperial rule over conquered people. The Nazi argument was simply the strongest race would survive and weak one would perish. The Aryan race was the finest. It had to retain its purity, become stronger, and dominate the world. Geopolitical concept. The other aspects of Hitler's ideology is related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space. He believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement and to increase the area of the mother country. Hitler intended to extend German boundaries by moving eastward to concentrate all Germans geographically in one place. Poland became the laboratory for this experimentation. Establishment of racial state. Nazi wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. They alone were considered as desirable, while other communities were classified as undesirable. Jews, Gypsies, and black living in Nazi Germany were considered as racial inferiors who threatened by biological purity of the superior Aryan race. The captured civilians were being forced to work as slave laborers. In Nazi Germany, Jews were the worst sufferers. Jews had been stereotyped as killers of Christ and erasers. Jews lived in separately marked areas called ghettos. Hitler's hatred of Jews was based on pseudoscientific theories of race, which could be satisfied only through their total elimination. From 1933 to 1938, the Nazis terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jews. From 1939 to 1945, they aimed to kill them in gas chambers of Poland. The racial utopia. The Nazis tried to realize their racial ideal through genocide. They divided the occupied Poland. The most of northwestern Poland was made part of Germany. Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties, which were then occupied by Germans. Polish children who looked like Aryans examined by race experts, and if they passed the race tests, they were raised in German families. or if not, then they were deposited in orphanage where most perished. In the next video, we will discuss about the youth in Nazi Germany.